Hello everyone and welcome to Top 16 on the women's side of WWC Make Some Noise. And we're starting off with Hikari Tarita versus Natty Neptune. And of course this is a 15-woman tournament. Yui Nishimura given the #1 seed. They buy 2 top 8. The matches you'll be seeing tonight, all of them, one chance qualifiers to get into top 8, and we're starting this one off strong with the strikes for both these two. And now Hikari up to the top rope early. Gotta feel though, the high flying style more benefits Natty Neptune. We know she is a wizard with the moonsault, but Hikari Tarita showing she can do just as good as now connecting with the kicks. And now here's what we were more expecting, just a beat down style of Hikari. And now got that knee on the back, trying to get the STF. And Natty Neptune, a bit of a rookie in the ring, not quite able to say she has the same experience as a lot of the women in this tournament, but she is one of the most tenacious fighters I've ever seen. It's going to be interesting to see how she goes up against someone as disciplined as Hikari. As now this one spills to the outside. That's the double stomp connects into the boot, went for that 2K online special, but not able to get it was Natty Neptune. Now big whiff from Neptune. Hikari just making her pay for DDT on the pavement. Referee up to a count of 3. Remember, it's a 20 count here in the WWC. Bowtie ref does not like seeing countouts. Of course, in the case of a double countout, either both will be eliminated or it will become a triple threat, whatever I choose at the time. Whatever I think makes for better content. We are now up to a count of 7. And Hikari choosing to break up the count, keeping this one on the outside. Now you've got to feel though, if this was to end a double countout, Yui Nishimura gets a bye, not just to top 8, but to top 6. Now that would be some bullshit. And honestly, it might be some bullshit that I'm here to see. So right now, Hikari's here for a fight. She's the one laying in those lariats, catches the leg, sweeps the leg Johnny, and Hikari Tarita is firing up. And now she is firing down as Natty Neptune once again goes for that 2K special. She hits it. And now looking for a little bit of he said, she said, you whatever you can do, I can do better. Sweeps the leg Johnny. And again, as soon as one gets fired up, the other one shuts them down. As now goes for the kick. Natty Neptune checks it. Off the ropes. Catches her to a head scissors. And Natty Neptune firing up. Neptune sends her into the corner. What she got in mind here? Goes up top. Spanish fly. Off the middle rope. But it's not enough. The athleticism on display off the Spanish fly, and now maybe looking for that moonsault. Beautifully executed into the cover, hooks the outside leg. But again, Hikari Tarita able to get that shoulder off of the mat. We'll be looking for another one here. A second straight moonsault, but this time Hikari was ready for it. Planting Natty Neptune with a DDT. Now Natty tries to get to her feet, kick to the gut, stops her, kick to the leg, and now we're seeing the striking game of Hikari Tarita come in full force. Swinging neck breaker. Lifting her up now. Goes for that big scissors kick, not able to get it. Goes for the drop kick, does Natty Neptune, but gets caught. And there she finally hits it. That step up kick. And that could have just knocked Natty Neptune out cold. No. Still has some fight. Does Neptune. But now, kick to the back of the leg. Atama Musagaru. And I hope to God I did not butcher that pronunciation. But Hikari Tomita, no, not enough to get it. I thought that was it. Not to be, as now Hikari goes to the top rope. Goes for the drop kick, Natty just pushes her aside. And now it's Natty Neptune with the chance to seal the game away. High kick. Oh, and now bottom rope moonsault. Looking for the trifecta here. Middle rope moonsault. And a third and possibly fatal top rope moonsault. Cover to move to top 8. No. Now going up top. Does that Neptune, but gets sent down by Tomita. These two just jockeying for position. Hikari sends him into the corner. Sends kicking the leg out of her leg. Now just brutalizing Neptune. Punch to the back of the head, and there it is, that high kick. That'll do it. Hikari Tomita picks up the win. And an absolutely brutal matchup. Neither one giving an inch. They already saw that hop up Spanish fly from Natty Neptune. But the athleticism of Neptune not able to seal the win here tonight. Hikari now moves on to top 8 to face the woman with the bye, Yui Nishimura. Gotta feel that one a very strike-heavy matchup, the J-Pop Shoot Fighter versus Hikari Tomita. But now we go to our next contest, Betty Fight, the world's oldest ass kicker, going up against one member of the Losers Clique, Erica Enhancement. And this one sure to be quite an interesting contest as Betty Fight looks to bring her own brand of violence to the WWC. Right now we have to Enhancement with a start here. Got the Darms hook, double butterfly suplex. After Enhancement getting some opening shine here. Locking in the armbar. Gonna be honest, expected more of an opening flurry from Betty Fight, but right now Erica Enhancement talent showing off some moves here. But Betty Fight rebounding off the ropes, hitting that huge lariat. Now looking, like I said earlier, to bring her own brand of violence to the WWC. Now, Dragon Sleeper locked in. And able to escape, though, is Erica Enhancement. This is not Falls Count anywhere. Erica taking a moment to gloat. Now the right hands, a drop kick from Erica. Betty White has yet to really get out of the starting gate in this one. She's gotten some good shots, and don't get me wrong, but this has not been the start I was expecting in this match. Another armbar locked in. Betty White needs to find a way to stop this gutsy performance so far from Erica. Now Betty sends her into the corner. Hitting these body shots, keeping the guard up. Huge right hand sends Erica down. And now just stomping her out in the corner. Flipping her the bird. Going for the cover here. That'll be a 1 count. Betty White now lifting up Erica Enhancement. Showing off the strength, a lot of strength for an old lady. Now, Erica back in control here. Flatliner. Betty White though right back up. Huge lariat from Betty White. And that's the stuff I'm used to seeing from Betty. Now Betty goes for the senton right onto the head of Erica. Now dragging her over to those ropes. But no, Erica able to escape. And now got the cravat suplex. Now she lifts up Betty White. What she got going on here? Half and half on her head. What is this performance so far? Not enough though, not enough just yet. Now, wait a second, she's been targeting that arm all match with arm bars. As now she's locking in a variation of the Fujiwara. Could this be enough to get Betty White to tap out? Her old bones are so brittle. And another flatliner. Erica Enhancement just not slowing down. Another cravat suplex. Into the cover. And folks, what an upset. A member of the Losers Clique is going to top 8. A thing that should realistically not be happening. But here we are. What a performance from Erica Enhancement talent. The only thing she's enhanced is her spot in this bracket. What a performance. I'm shocked. I'm sort of speechless here. Well, I don't know what exactly to say. But coming up next, we'll see if lightning can strike twice. Jobber Janice going up against Angela Terry. Will we see 2 members of the Losers Clique have to do battle in top 8? Now, Jobber Janice trying to get an opening flurry similar to that of Erica Enhancement talent Angela Terry, having none of that right now. Instead, just looking to show off her power. A ludicrous stalling suplex from Angela. Now we'll continuing to see the disgusting show of power. Not even from a devastation, it's just the fact that she keeps doing stalling moves. This is from devastation. And Angela showing she is not going to let what happened to Betty Fight happen to her. Brutalizing jobber Janice here. Jesus, 10 straight strikes. Now, just tossing her like a sack of shit on the outside. Now going back inside is Angela. Jobber Janice going back in to join her. Maybe not the smartest idea. Maybe just take the count out. Angela seems to want to give it to you. Now though, and Jobber Janice with some mightier gutbuster. But Angela immediately back on the offense, looking to make Janice pay for her insolence. As we hit the 17-minute mark of this broadcast, you know, let me know in the comments. Would you like to see more jobber characters like Janice get their shit rocked? Would you like to perhaps see an ODQ character? I don't know why I'm doing this show now, mainly just because I've run out of things to commentate. My throat's kind of sore. They're mainly just beating each other's ass on the outside. Like the video. Share it with your friends. As now Angela Terry gets this one back and we're back to kind of professional commentary. I think she's looking to end this one now, as she calls Jobber Janice to her feet. But the jawbreaker from Janice, the triple J into the lung blower. And now targeting the leg. The high kick. Yo, Janice trying to hook it here. Gotta look hooked up. Sunset flip. Oh, but now again the leg kick out of the leg by Angela. Oh, but gets caught with the backbreaker into the shooter. Angela getting caught here. As the kids these days say, getting caught lacking by Jobber Janice as she connects with the running knee. Are we going to see two jobber characters in top 8? No. Another shooter connects this time, hooking the leg, again trying to get her spot. And Janice just starting to wonder what it's going to take to keep her down. Another knee to the head. Surely that must be it. No. Went for the lariat. Does Angela got the guard up to Janice? And now sit out next stop driver. Angela, she had control of so much of this match, but now Janice kind of giving her the business. Pops her up into the gutbuster. Oh, but the chop and the kick, these two going back and forth. Kick to the gut. Shooting star. Is that finally enough? Go time after making sure to get in a good position. But still no. Janice has got to be thinking in the back of her head, how many more shooters, how many more knee strikes is it going to take? Now, head scissors locked in, looking for the submission perhaps over Angela. Angela not quite able to find a way out just yet. And Angela, after such a hot start to this match, such a dominant start to this match, is on the back foot here tremendously, sending Janice into the corner, trying to get something started. Irish whip all the way across. Enziguri off the back elbow. And now lifting her up. Oh, this should do it. Into the TKO. And that is it. Into the cover. Angela picks up the win. What a match. The Losers Clique having some fight in this tournament. A match that was looking like it was going to be a major blowout for Angela Terry ended up being an extremely back and forth matchup. And now she moves on to face another member of the Losers Clique in top 8, Erica Enhancement Talent. And you've got to feel now Angela Terry on the warpath. As we go to the other side of bracket, Nikita Ventura, the mighty Nikita Ventura, goes up against Alhisha de Semi Squash, daughter of the legendary Sammy Squash. And I mean, hey, we've seen these Losers Clique, competitors put up hell of performances. Despite the fact they're all set to the lowest overall possible, but they've been putting up hell of a performances, all of them. Will we possibly see another one of them make it up in the top 8? We have yet to see Sammy get really out of the opening gates. Nikita firing off some shots. Wanted to make sure she does not get upset, does not get beaten down like the other two were. So now Nikita looking for, I believe, a bow and arrow here. Folding Sammy like an accordion. Seeing Bowtimer ask if she wants to give up. Not yet. Pinfall. Kick out at 0. Now lifting up Nikita into the backbreaker. Nikita, one of the smaller competitors we have here in the WWC. And although she is small, she is in fact one of the stronger competitors still. She is called the Mighty for a reason. Jesus Christ. Get just a bitch slapped to the ground while I'm trying to put you over, why don't ya? Sammy Squash was saying, you want to be called mighty, I'll show you mighty. Look at the deadlift. Just drops her back. So lifting it back up, goes for the punch. Nikita ready for it that time. And now these half-hatch knee strikes to Sammy. The knees of Nikita Ventura ever dangerous. I think it was looking for the mighty mouse trap there, not quite able to get it though. And now here we see the striking of Nikita on full display. It's now atomic drop into the splash. As we see the cover here with the lateral press. Not enough. Connects with the elbow drop. Could be looking to make this a quick night at the office here. Oh, went for the setup for the mighty and ease. Sammy, though, able to block it, and now goes to Southern Throne, gets caught with a forearm. Now that sort of release, sleeper toss there. Again, going for the mighty mousetrap, but again, Sammy able to block it by taking a knee. As now Sammy's got her up. As we see the stalling suplex. The power on display. As now, got with the pump handle suplex. Goes for the cover. Is that enough? To put away Nikita? No. Sammy lifting her up though, looking to continue the onslaught. Another suplex position. This time, a GTS go to Sammy. No, not enough. Now, Nikita trying to get back in this one, targeting the injured knee though of Ventura as she's sent falling to the outside. Tumbling even. Sammy continuing the beat down here. Nikita had a hot start to this match, but Sammy has just been able to block all her big offense. Sent her to the turnbuckle post. Count of 4 with both these women on the outside. Nikita, knee to the gut, and now Hurricane Rana. Nikita sends it over towards the barricade. The corner's double barricaded, hamburger style. As Sammy now looking for an Alabama on the outside, but Nikita does not want to get slammered as she connects again with that sort of twist out sleeper suplex. Nikita gets back in, breaking the count though. And a choke breaker on the outside. And just kneeing the chest of Sammy. The knees of Nikita, so dangerous. To a count of 4 again. Nikita looking to break the count. She wants to inflict some more damage on Sammy here on the outside. As now she's up against the double stuffed barricade, but gets a little greedy, ends up going into it herself. Picking her moment to get back into the ring. Gets caught though into a power slam. And now again with the deadlift military press. Beautifully executed. Goes for the elbow drop, but Nikita able to escape it. Knee to the gut though from Sammy, and then just slams her down off the ropes. Big splash. Sammy is on fire here. GTS. The go to Sammy connects, but it's not enough. The crowd chanting one more time. They want to see the upset here. Flips over, Dominator. And again, calls her to her feet, looking for the finishing touch. No, this time, a jawbreaker, from Ventura. Has her up on the shoulders. A GTS of her own with the knee brace. As now, pops up again. The knee brace coming in effective. Nikita VENTURA has effectively swapped the momentum of this match. And now she's looking to put it to bed. Kick to the gut. Mighty knees to the back of the head. Scrambles into the cover, and that is it. No! Nikita not able to get the job done. Again going for the mighty mousetrap, but again Sammy able to take the knee. And now back to her feet. Lifting him up. Power slam position. And again lifting him up for a power slam. This time though again flipping over Dominator. She's not done. She's going for more. GTS. Cover. But on the rope. The grabbing of the rope by Nikita VENTURA. And this time, Bowtie Ref catches it. No controversy this time. Now, Hurricane takes down Alejandra de Sammy. Lifting her up, kick to the guts, looking again. Mighty knees. Back of the head. And that is it. Moving to top 8. No! What? The losers click. Putting on banger after banger here in this tournament. Now, choke slam by Nikita. Showing why they call her mighty. Now, finally got it locked up. Mighty mousetrap. Cover, outside leg hooked. And Nikita VENTURA makes it to top 8. I don't know what they put in the water at the Losers Click Clubhouse, but Jesus Christ, Nikita VENTURA had to fight for that one. What a match, what a war. And now Nikita VENTURA qualifies for top 8. Maybe the smallest member of this bracket, but maybe the mightiest after this performance. But now we see who has to face her in top 8. Alexis Smith, an equally small competitor, versus Ivy Page, a competitor that might be able to match the mightiness, the strength of Nikita VENTURA. This one gets started here. Both women ready. The bell has rung and this one is off. Already the power of Ivy Page on display. Elbow drop to the chest. Now Ivy, huge King Kong knee drop again to the chest of Alexis Smith. Now catches her neck breaker and just not able to get out the opening gate. Ivy Page has been absolutely destructive here. Now Exploder, that T-bone suplex, only a 1 count though. Seeing Ivy Page taking a moment to collect herself as she goes back up top. Calling Alexis Smith to her feet. Goes for that sort of molly go round, not able to get it. As now Alexis Smith able to capitalize with the springboard headbutt into the cover. Only a 1 though. Is here adjusting the pigtails. slamming Ivy Page to the ground. Let it not be said, though, you know, despite the more cheerful demeanor, that Alexis Smith is not a brutal fighter when she wants to be. Now another scoop and a slam there from Ivy Page. And a huge backhand. As she drags her over to the middle of the ring. Alexis Smith had that brief flurry there, but right now Ivy Page immediately back into it. Sit out powerbomb. Into the cover, that could just do it. 2. Ivy Page not able to get it off that just yet. And now lifting up Alexis. Another scoop and a slam and another elbow drop to follow up. And now looking to seal the deal though. Super kick gets blocked by Smith. Turns her around into the zigzag. Cover. And Ivy Page able to kick out at 2. Smith though, back in this match in a big way. Going up to the top rope. Spinal tap connects. Sends her down into the cover. Is that enough? Ivy Page again kicks out. Now running shooter from Alexis. Goes off the ropes, goes for the moonsault. Nowhere nearby, but Ivy Page now gets a moment to capitalize. Running headbutt. And that might have just knocked Alexis Smith out cold, but again near the ropes. Bow tie ref not wanting to lose his job this week. As now elbow drop to Alexis. And now lifting her up. Fisherman's Buster. Hooks the leg and the neck. But not enough. Alexis Smith still defiantly with that kick out. Now Ivy Page goes for a suplex here. Alexis Smith rolls out behind. Shitty little German suplex. As Alexis goes up top, Ivy Page over halfway across the ring. What in the hell is she going for here? Cross body, not able to get the distance. And now Ivy Page not able to find out where the hell she is. This has turned into one spaghetti of a matchup. Alexis now got him in the corner. Big insecurity. Now Alexis trying to get this one started. Beautiful drop kick. And now targeting the leg, targeting the base for the power of Ivy Page. We've seen people get eliminated from tournaments because of damage to legs. Alexis Smith lifting her up. Suplex. And now going up top once again. Again, halfway across the ring. Spinal tap. Cover. Absolutely devastating, but not enough to get the win. Now Alexis lifts up Ivy Page, the dead weight into the zigzag. And again goes up top, looking for it another time. Trying to measure the distance. Thinks a bit too far, looking to go for the other corner. No, instead just calling her to her feet. Super kick gets caught. Lariat just starches her. And a chop. And now trying to break off the arm of Alexis Smith as now the Fujiwara locked in. But Ivy Page thinking better of it. Alexis stumbles to her feet. Gets caught though. Inverted suplex. Now goes for the big boy senton. Not able to get it. High kick to the head. Punch gets caught. Now kick to the gut. Alexis Smith dragging her to the middle of the ring. Is the TNA kick enough to finish it? And it is. Alexis Smith off the TNA kick picks up the victory. You know, there were enough matches that ended by a finisher or signature. It was about time we got one that with a good old standard move. You know, a TNA kick, that was a finisher back in 1947. Okay, you gotta respect Alexis Smith paying tribute to the business. So now she moves on into top 8. So we've got a battle of two of the smallest with her and Nikita VENTURA. But now we got a battle between two hard-hitting bitches. Daphne Dangerously and VALLEN. Folks, I've got a sore throat. There's a sickness, a plague put upon my head, so I'm going to be taking some medicine real quick so I can properly call this match. And this one's underway. Daphne Dangerously has VALLEN in the corner. Trying to get off to a hot start in this matchup. The shotgun knee strike from Daphne. Shown by the caller, Daphne Dangerously. Kel cutter though, off the bat. Might be looking for the sheer heart attack already. Instead, beautifully executed elbow drop. Is that enough? The Kel cutter and the elbow drop is on the first 90 seconds, but no. Kel starting this one off big. She knows how difficult Daphne Dangerously can be to put down. They've fought before. And Daphne Dangerously came out on the losing end of that back body drop. Bitches love them. And now, knee to the head. Daphne Dangerously knows how hard it is to put down VALLEN. You've got to feel back body drop, bitches love. You've got to feel Daphne Dangerously right now on a full force attack, going for the choke slam early. VALLEN blocks it. As now Kel lifts up Daphne, just lighting her up with the strikes. Backhand into the front hand. Daphne though escapes. Big overhand right. It's now power bomb. Lifts her back up into the Samoan drop. It's VALLEN. Oh, wait a sec. Killer clutch. Locked in. But in the ropes. Daphne Dangerously saved by the bottom rope there. VALLEN though wondering if the damage is done. Going for the cover. No, not quite yet. Kel takes a moment to collect herself. Lifting Daphne to her feet. Looking for here, Black Valentine. And that should do it. But no, Daphne shoots that shoulder up. A lot of strength left in it. And now VALLEN choosing to target it. Choke slam, no! Kel able to dodge out of the way. Daphne, if she hits any one of those choke slams, it could be all over. Now Daphne turns it over, starts laying in the punches on VALLEN. As now tossing suplex into the stairs, Jesus. Too willing to brutalize each other. Now the lefts, the Mongolian chop from Daphne, not able to find its mark. Now chop blocked by Daphne. belly to belly. Just releases VALLEN, and now lifting him up. Fisherman's Buster on the outside.
8.
Stephanie dangerously awaits VALLEN getting to her feet. Going out there to join her on the outside. Back elbow stopping Kel from getting the upper hand. Has now got him up towards her back. Bomb! Jesus Christ! Stephanie dangerously. Brutal. Big boot. These two are just trying to kill each other. Now, Cal looking to bring this one back inside. Now, wait a second. Choke slam to Daphne. VALLEN with the disrespect. 6. The choke slam to Daphne dangerously. And now the forearm, the strike combination, and Daphne's pissed. Elbow goes up top, could be looking sheer heart attack. No, calling Daphne to her feet instead. Big elbow Daphne though, able to basically backpedal out of the way. Doesn't get out of the way though with that kick. And now goes through into the air raid crash neck breaker. Again, Daphne sent over the top rope. And VALLEN looks to continue to punish dangerously. Dangerously sent into the ring. She is not in a good spot right now. As Cal going up top, looking for the sheer heart attack. No one said the elbow drop. Goes for the cover. Outside leg hook. But again, dangerously able to kick out. And you're starting to see VALLEN get a little bit pissed herself. And now for a second time, Black Valentine. Into the cover, that should do it. But again, dangerously shoots that arm off the mat. Daphne dangerously defiant as ever. Wait a second, choke slam from dangerously. It only takes one, two, no. Sometimes it only takes one, but tonight she's gonna need a little bit more. As Kel gets to her feet. Kick to the gut. Brain Buster! And now, Killer Clutch locked in, center of the ring. Nowhere for dangerously to go, and she's forced to tap out. What a war from those two women. Neither one wanting to say die. But in the end, VALLEN just a bit too much for Daphne dangerously. There, I thought that could have been it, that choke slam. It only takes one to put anybody away. But tonight, we've taken a little bit more than that. As VALLEN moves on to top 8 to face the winner of our last matchup of the night. You've got to feel after a showing like that, VALLEN might be a favorite to go all the way in top 8. But now we see who will be joining her. Local Laura, the final member of the Losers Clique, to make an appearance here tonight, or Liza Horror. Now, if you watch the men's top 24, you know Liza's brother Zistro made it to top 16. Liza's looking to make it out of top 16. She goes up against Local Laura, and the Losers Clique has been having a hell of a showing tonight with one of their members making it in top 8. And the rest are just putting on great performances, it's got to be said. As now, Liza, the smaller woman in this match, going to try and, keep Local Laura grounded. Liza more of a strike and aerial-based competitor. But she's already begun to wear down the Local. As she goes up top, could be looking to end this one quick. Swanton! Is that enough? No, instead going for more. Looking to stomp in the chest of Laura. And a second Swanton. This time Laura was ready for it. And now both the women getting to their feet. And we're seeing Laura begin to strike up into the backbreaker. Now, Spanish Fly. Quite athletic for such a tall woman. But not enough. As now, Laura, headlock driver could do it. Spikes Liza right on her head. Are we going to see another member in top 8? No. As now, Liza done being pushed around. Some live shots here. My voice is cracking. Blame second puberty for that one. Speaking of HRT, Liza putting the HURT on Local Laura, putting that hurt. So now she knees her in the corner. And Liza now, oh wait a second here, connects! Got that sit out Tiger Drive for 2022, but it's not enough. And you see the look of disbelief from Liza. Gotta be scrambling, thinking, what can I do to keep her down? As she goes up top, calling her to her feet. Gets it! Into the cover, off the stunner. No. And now the repeated punches to the head of Laura. Liza Horror willing to do whatever it takes to win. Now, kick gets blocked. And now Laura's got him in the corner, trying to take out that arm. And what's else we got right here? Lifts her up. Got her package. Super kick. And now, knee to the head, falls into the cover. Is that enough? No. And now we see, go for the Spanish Fly once again, not able to get it. Now kick to the gut, once more sit out. Tiger Driver 2022. Liza willing to do, wait a second. Liza doing whatever it takes. Feet on the rope, the ref doesn't see it. And Liza steals a win, refusing to be embarrassed by this local talent. And now she moves on to top 8 to fight VALLEN. What an ending to top 16 here at the WWC.